Bootstrapping is about starting your business without investors. I'm still 100% shareholder, so grew from nothing. We've got about 20 people. We've got global brands like Shell, EDF Energy, and we've been able to bootstrap into the US as well as the UK. Well, the main advantage is you end up owning it, all of it. You also keep your options open, so if you want to take on investment later, you can. But if you do that, you'll get better value than if you took investment on earlier. But the key was really selling that product early. So not waiting for perfection, but finding a customer who was prepared to go on a journey of your continual improvement. You know, buy a small piece to start with, and then we'll grow together. So I always say that in the B2B world, customers are your investors.